one, but that 103 intellect is where it's at.
I'm going to be playing on the not cliff area.
You're going to be playing on the B
Over
area.
on Eternity or whatever. This one? Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm not going to go for heavy. I don't feel
Yeah,
like
it's not like I'd even use the heavy.
I feel like everyone else is going for heavy, though.
Yep.
Not their team, yeah.
Yeah, I got one.
Me too.
You got two.
For some odd reason, I like to be way higher in the air than I need to be for a shoulder charge.
That was a super. I wasn't expecting like a
Yes! I got a joke kill on the golden gun. Ooh, I'm amplified.
What?
I can make the frontier safe again. Five minutes remaining. A strong start. Fight on.
The Nick dude is just running circles, just trying to find somebody. He activates it without actually seeing anybody, and he just is running around. Got a double pulse rifle kill, just lols. They all want to play on the map where I want to play side of the map.
Yeah. Oh yes! We ran out of medals. Yes!
Nice.
Yeah! I fucking got one finally. Yes! I was just like randomly checked. I was like, I'm on a 15 streak right now. Okay, I gotta play more careful now. I fucking got it. Oh. Wow. Alright, we'll have to put that on YouTube. And just like every other We Ran Out of Medals I see on the YouTubes, I immediately get killed by somebody else. Oh man, I cannot believe I got that.
I just got killed by Cloud Strike.
Come on, I hit you with low health, even if we activated the super. Come on. Fucking lag. Come on.
How many of your golden gun shots could you shoot at me while I'm flying through the air, dude? Yeah, I already know with my playstyle, I'm not going to get a Wii ramp.
I mean, in Mayhem, I don't ever play like trying to get it in the first place. You know, like it's just. But in this one, obviously, I'm just like hiding around corners, throwing grenades like crazy. So, kind of just inherently happened.
Opponents defeated. 21. Had a Wii ram.
Yeah, I have one defeat.
I got my Wii ram, died, killed one more person. That was it. That was done.
Yeah, that's true. I just fucking dipped after that.
Once you got it, what's the point of carrying on? You know?
What's the point? I'm done playing this game. I can't get another one. I have to wait till the next game to get one.
You could get a. I made this for you.
That would be 50 in a row, and that would be so tough.
That requires you to be very good, your team to be very bad, and the other team to be very bad.
Yeah,
But
to be
better than your team.
middling bad. So there can't be a mercy. You can't have other people taking a bunch of kills, and yeah,
Like
it's,
it requires you to basically, what the ship is that?
I don't know.
You would effectively have to be